Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can change your GitHub username. So let's get started. To change your GitHub username, first open github.com in your browser and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, you'll see your current username along with your name at the top left. From the sidebar, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings. At the top of this page, you'll find the Change Username section. Click on the Change Username button. A pop-up will appear with details about what happens when you change your username. After reviewing this information, click I understand. Let's change my username. Now, type in your new desired username in the text box, and then click Change My Username. GitHub will process the update, and your new username will be active. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change your GitHub username. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.